This is a CountryBoyModz production. All right, y'all, I'm not going to take up too much of your time today, but thank y'all for watching this video. I appreciate all the subscribers that's been here on the channel with me, all 1,600 of you, plus 1,600 plus, even the ones that's coming, that's going to be new to the channel. Hey, be sure to follow my TikTok. Same thing, CountryBoyModz, my Instagram, CountryBoyModz. And I'll just look out for the new mods that's coming. I mean, it's a slow process, but everything going to come the way it should. And like, just overall, I'm just enjoying the car. It's a beautiful car. And I'm gonna keep turning. If I find something that I feel like that everyone should know, especially like fixing something new, taking something apart, y'all know I got y'all. So we're gonna go from there. And appreciate y'all for watching. This is your boy JD, aka CountryBoyModz. I love y'all. Thank y'all for the support, man. Peace out.